Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy hype on the MEXC app. First, let's open the app. Then we need to go to the trade section. If you want to buy from a trading pair, click on the symbol, and let's type hype to find the correct trading pair. Here it is. Let's change the order type to the market 1. Now if you want to buy hype, just move the slider to decide how much you want to buy. After you are ready, click Buy Hype. But if you want to do it quicker, go to the Wallet section. Here tap on Spot. And here Convert. I will pay with USDC, so let's find this crypto on the From list. I want to get hype, so let's find it on the second list. Here it is. Now you only need to type how much you want to convert, and click Preview Conversion. Here just confirm the order. And that's all. As you can see, we have successfully bought Hype token. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.